So what I do between there and there changed. It's kind of embarrassing filming that. Yeah, I'm holding it up too high. Got the pieces cut out. Left them a little long so I can fit them. Shave off what I need to shave off. I'm still learning the tool. So this cut didn't stay straight. But now I gotta get them fitted in the car. Get the holes drilled. As you can see, that whole side of the floor is rotted off the body. So I'm going to have to jack this up to where it needs to be so I can get that toe board in right here. Got a small little, looks like a lump of weld right there. Kind of holds me up, but it fits. A little snug, but it fits. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it in there, take my marker, come through that screw hole and this screw out here, mark it, drill it, put a couple bolts in, and then I'll drill, mark this one, and this one, then drill them. There we go. Got the new toe board bolted in. Left it a little big through here. I'll cut that out as I need when I put it on the frame with the engine and transmission. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this side unbolted from the old one. Get this all cleaned up. I'm going to unbolt that one, flip it over, and see if it lines up over here. And if it does, I'll lay that one over top my other piece, cut it to match, and drill the holes to match. So I laid the passenger side piece on the driver's side. It fit. The holes mostly line up exact. I marked center the best I could for the other piece. So I'm going to overlay this on here, trace it out, trim this off, drill my holes, and then I'll get it put in. There they are, both sides in. And I'll probably be able to bend part of this up and fasten my transmission tunnel to that. These holes are a 1/4 20 bolt. I had to thread chase mine. This one down here is a 1/4 20, but it doesn't have a nut on it. It just kind of threads in the hole. This side I had to put a nut on it. So you might have to do the same. In the future I'll be welding a nut here on this one. And I'll have to re-weld this one because it's kind of loose. Next, I'll have to add some bracing in here to secure this body so we can get the floor fixed. That'll be another video. Thanks for watching.